If we're lucky, most of us can take water for granted. Turn on the tap and there it is. But what if that changed? Hurricanes, earthquakes, all sorts of other disasters, natural or man-made, can leave us vulnerable. Water is vital to survival. Emergency prep kits should have 3 days of drinking water per person. But if you need more, what can you do for safe drinking water? Would you be prepared for a disaster? An emergency? A desperate situation? Even if that desperation is just about getting in touch with nature. Whether you're prepping an emergency kit or going for a hike, Purisoo is an easy-to-use and dependable water purification system that's an important yet inexpensive investment to make. The Purisoo water purification bottle filters and purifies water by removing a variety of contaminants, bacteria, protozoan cysts, and particulates, and it reduces viral, chemical, and heavy metal content. Simply place the bottle's inlet into the fresh water source and pump. Water is drawn through the hollow fiber membrane and carbon filter, resulting in purified water. Close off the inlet, flip it over, unscrew the pump handle, and sip directly from the 410 milliliter purified water reservoir. Contaminated water never enters this chamber. Or save in a separate bottle so you can purify even more water. The replaceable filter can process up to 1,000 liters. The Purisoo water purification bottle is great for hiking, emergencies, and for travel to places where you might not be so sure of the local water quality. With the funds we raise from our Kickstarter campaign, we'll be able to complete the final steps needed in bringing Purisoo to market.
Putting together a proper camp kitchen can be a real drag. When it comes to utensils, wouldn't it be nice to have everything you need in one location, organized nicely, on the ready, and easy to access? FrontRunner has designed a high-quality kitchen utensil set. Everything you need for food prep, cooking, serving, and eating can be hung at the campsite and then rolled up compact for storage and transport. Who needs a kitchen drawer when you can use the included carabiners to hang the set for easy access? These are not your typical cheap and easy-to-break throwaway camp utensils. The composite handles offer a comfortable and weighty grip, Every utensil has its place. When packing up the campsite, missing utensils are easy to spot. Find them before you hit the road. Never get caught empty-handed in your camp kitchen again. The entire kit fits in a custom tool-style roll with flap, adjustable straps, buckles, and carrying handles. The Camp Kitchen Utensil Set. Another smart, off-road tough camp kitchen and storage solution from Frontrunner.
Yeah, she's in the mirror.
Great day, everyone. Same time tomorrow.
Thermos is away.
That's a wrap. You're free to go.
Or are you?
Hello? Hey, let me out!
In a world where nothing is as it seems, a girl trapped after hours on an infomercial set.
Hey! Hey! Is anybody there?
First came the offer of a low-paying job.
Hey!
Then the humiliation of wearing a cheesy jumpsuit. And now this.
Hey, let me out! Hello?
A waking nightmare.
Don't mess with me! I've got a large, sharp, stainless steel chef quality butcher knife from the indispensable Frontrunner Camp Kitchen Utensil Set to protect me!
The Frontrunner Camp Kitchen Utensil Set. Coming to a theater near you.
This is a ManCan 64 grab and go. It's a retail version, has a vinyl wrap. On the vinyl wrap we explain all the benefits of the can. Along with it also has a keg collar. On this keg collar the customer can register for a lifetime warranty for the can. In addition to the can it also comes with cleaning tablets under the keg collar. This grab and go is 64 ounces. And this is a glass growler which is also 64 ounces. Notice the difference in size. This one is the same volume as this one. This one will break very easily. This one is indestructible. Also with a glass growler, when you pour a glass out and you cap it up, come back the next day it's flat. With this ManCan 64 grab and go, you pour a glass out, you cap it up, the next day you come back and you still have carbonated beer. We have a patented seal technology. Once it's full of beer, you turn the cap down, tightens it, locks in the carbonation, and maintains the quality. All brewer grade 304 stainless steel, easy to carry handle, and again, indestructible.